Something strange happened in the skies above New Jersey. Large groups of mysterious drones have been spotted flying in perfect formation, night after night. No one knows who is controlling them. No official explanation. No warning. Could this be a simple case of military testing? Or is there something much bigger happening here? Some believe this could be linked to the infamous Project Bluebeam, a conspiracy theory that suggests the government or even a shadow organization is preparing for a massive deception using advanced technology to stage an alien invasion or a fake religious event. Today we're diving deep into the mystery behind these drones, the eerie silence from officials, and whether this is the first sign of Project Bluebeam coming to life. Over the past few weeks, hundreds of residents have reported unidentified drone fleets appearing in the night sky. Some hover motionless, others fly in eerie, synchronized patterns. One witness described them as moving like they were part of a giant, invisible machine. Another said, "These aren't just kids flying drones, this is something else. The sightings are happening too frequently to be ignored, and what's even stranger, these drones never seem to land, they just disappear into the night." The government's response? Silence. When questioned, local law enforcement claimed they weren't tracking any drone activity. The FAA, or Federal Aviation Administration, has no records of these flights. Even the military has denied any involvement. But here's the problem. In the United States, it's illegal to fly large drones at night without approval. So if it's not the government, who has the resources to send dozens of drones into the sky every night? This is where things get really interesting. Some believe these drone formations are a test for something much bigger, a project called Bluebeam. Project Bluebeam is a long-standing conspiracy theory that claims powerful groups are developing advanced hologram technology to stage a fake alien invasion or a global religious event. According to theorists, the goal is to create a crisis so terrifying that people will demand a new world order to protect them. Sounds crazy, right? But let's look at some of the details. Technology today is more advanced than ever. We've already seen hyper-realistic holograms being used in concerts. The military is developing stealth drones that can fly without making a sound. So what if the next step is to use these drones to project something even bigger? Some say this is all just coincidence, that it's probably military testing or maybe even corporate experiments with new drone technology. But what if it's not? In the past few years, we've seen governments admit to tracking unidentified aerial phenomena or UAPs. The Pentagon even released videos of UFO encounters they couldn't explain. So if they're admitting that some things in the sky are unexplainable, could these drones be part of something bigger? Whether you believe in Project Bluebeam or not, one thing is clear, something strange is happening in our skies. Are these drones just part of some harmless experiment, or are we witnessing the first phase of a global deception? Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you want to see more mysteries like this, don't forget to subscribe. Stay strong, stay curious, and see you in the next video.